September is National Preparedness Month and a good time to make sure you and your family are ready for any emergencies or disasters before they happen. Nathan Yearsley, president of Augason Farms, is here to tell us how families can prepare themselves with emergency foods. Nathan?
Good morning. It is my pleasure to be here to talk about emergency preparedness. Now is the time to keep our family's well-being to the top of mind. At Augason Farms, we have prepared and curated an entire host of products: fruits, vegetables, proteins, casseroles, everything in pouches and cans and in pails that will last you for 25 or 30 years. Simply go to the AugasonFarms.com website and treat it like a grocery store. Pick out the items that you normally eat, whether it is you want some casseroles or you would like dried fruit. All of these things, all of our product, all of the food that we have is the highest quality, freeze-dried or dehydrated, and ready to last for many, many years in storage, or you can use it in your pantry today. But simply go to our website, AugasonFarms.com, like it's a grocery store, and plan your meals like you would normally, and you'll be ready when disaster or an emergency occurs.
All right, thank you, Nathan. You can go to our website, abc24.com/now that's Memphis to find that information. I'm Brandi, and that is Q&A.